I've got a suitable bit of box section here, so the vise is going to do its first job for itself, really. It's obviously too high, it wants to be down there somewhere. I need to put a hole in the centre of there for the bottom pin to go on. A little bit of measuring. Right. I'd put it through with a plasma cutter. I think I've got it all set up. I might as well use it. This is 12mm plate. I want to cut a little support bracket for the bottom of the leg. Pressing the hole through the hard part, which is done quite nicely. This is cut in 45 amps. It's doing quite well. It doesn't seem to matter what trade you go into, it always boils down to bits of wood. I've got some little metal chocks. What I do, I'll put a spirit level on the top and on the bottom, make sure that the table is square to that. In fact, a tape measure would do from there down to that corner. In fact, the tape measure will be better. From that corner to that corner, 31 inches, and from that corner to that corner is, tapes are shite. Right, we've got, bloody hell, 33 in the fannies. Now enough. I'm happy with that. Need to make sure it's square with that. which will just be an eyeball job, I think. I eyeball that to be pretty good actually. Do one cut first and then see what it looks like. That's actually worked out quite nicely. I'll tack it on with some stick rods and then MIG weld it, but there's no massive gaps. That should be good. Just got to get another one the same for the other side and then we'll be good to go. I'll cut on the outside of the line just to make sure. That was welded with a 2.5 60-30 rod on my little Tack MIG 181, which is really nice on a stick, really nice and smooth off. Right, I've got both them legs tacked on. I think I'll put a little support piece in there just to hold it when I take it apart so I can weld it properly, just so it won't move. Just a little bit of weld there, a little bit of weld there. I'll just stop it from flexing, that's all. Right, it can all come to bits now, and then we can weld that properly. I might just weld it out here, I'll use the just stick weld it. It seems to be welding quite nicely. Let me put something in there just to take the load off the spring. heavy bastard thing it is. Right then. And there's a likely one in the back and probably a tie bar across the bottom as well, I'm not sure yet. That thing, God, everything I do is either hot, heavy or illegal, quite often all three. Yeah, I can just weld them on with the stick weld out here. It's welding quite nicely actually. That's got to be cut off. Oof, jolly man. It's looking like a bit of a bomb site in here at the minute, but I've got it all welded up. That's just the back leg to make now. I've got this packed up so it's lying nice and level. It's reasonable that way. So I need to make a leg for the back. I've got a bit of round. I've also got some box section. I'm not quite sure what to use yet. Box section's easier. It'll be a bit stronger as well. It's heavier wall stuff. I'll put an angle on it to fit in there. I'll put quite a broad foot on the bottom as well, I think. And cut another circle out with a plasma cutter possibly. But it's starting to take shape. It certainly isn't going to fall to bits. I had to cut and join that leg there, made it too short by 1/4 inch, not the end of the world. I'll give it a coat of paint except the top. That'll be done with linseed oil, the same as a vise. So it's a new leg for there now. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. It is still important, but as I keep on saying, it's nowhere near as important is realising that you've got mental health issues and you need some help. I've been going on about this for months now really, because I did have a real bad bout of like problems like that. I'm not right by any stretch, but I'm a lot better than I was. And I was wondering, will I continue doing this or saying this? But I've just had a message or an email of one of my viewers, and I can't say what he said to me. But really, because of me waffling on about this mental health, he did go and get something done about it, and he's making steps to recovery. So well done, Bonnie lad. You know exactly who you are, and thank you very much for the really heartfelt message. It was much appreciated. Right, so that's enough of me waffling on about mental health. Get it sorted, and I'll see you on the next one.